Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I'm back to another video. I want to welcome back all my subscribers and welcome to my new viewers. This is the channel where we talk about my top stocks. Okay, we're on earningswhisper.com, and we have three stocks that will report this week. We have FedEx report on the 17th. Also, we have GameStop to report on the 17th. And we have Dollar General to report on the 17th. So those are the three stocks I'm going to talk about this evening. I think those are some interesting stocks. First stock, Dollar General. If you look at over the chart, over the last year, the stock is pretty much flat, trading roughly at $200 per share. It does have a 52-week high of 240, but I pretty much think it'll stay there. There's been quite a few peaks and valleys, but pretty much right at this $200 per share. Okay, they do pay a dividend, so that's a good sign. They pay a 0.82%, a very tiny one, but Dollar General looks decent for this week. Over the last month, it has been trending down. Okay, so pretty much up only 2.46 over the last month. And over the last 5 days, it's down 2.58%. So looks like a pretty stable stock. Let's take a look at the news. Dollar General stock falls, still outperforms market. And this could be because of higher prices. In general, more people may be shopping at Dollar General. Morgan Stanley nervous about Dollar General's going into earnings. Okay, so earnings is this week on 3/17. Okay, Dollar General versus Dollar Tree photos. Okay, and I see Dollar Generals everywhere. They're still building them. I know here in the South, they build Dollar General everywhere. Could be interesting since they do pay a dividend. I'm in Dollar Tree right now, and it trades roughly about $137. So I think I missed the boat on Dollar General, but I think there's still opportunity with Dollar Tree. So Dollar Tree is in my portfolio. Dollar General is not, but Dollar General will report this week. We take a look here. Dollar General will report on the 17th. So let's see. I believe that's Thursday. Okay, yes, that's Thursday. So Dollar General will report this week on March 17th. Okay. Don't expect too much out of it. Dollar General, it has a 52-week high of $240. It's trending down. I can't really tell much. May go up $5 or $10 as more consumers are moving toward lower price goods and services. And with gas costing so much, maybe more people are shopping at Dollar General. Like I said, I already own Dollar Tree. I own some in my Robinhood, and I own some in my TD account. Okay, so that's one of the stocks this week that report Dollar General on Thursday. Okay, next stock talk about is FedEx. That was down on Friday. In the last few months, stock has been down as well. I think FedEx maybe had some labor costs. I covered this stock a few months ago when they reported last. So let's look at chart. Yeah. So even last time I covered it 3 months ago, back in November, it has fallen since then. So FedEx not looking that good. And it looks like they're still having issues. Okay. But they will report this Thursday, 3/17. One good reason to own FedEx. If you don't own FedEx, you probably should own. If I was building a portfolio, own UPS. So you should own one of the two major shipping companies, FedEx or UPS. Okay, but over the last quarter, FedEx has had some issues. They do pay a slight dividend of 1.41%. So there's going to still be people hold on to the stock either way. Even if it trends lower, people will own this stock because it pays a dividend of 1.41%. And like I said, it is one of two of the major shipping companies. Now let's take a look here at the news. FedEx owned contractors told the company shipping forecasts are bunk. That's not good. We've been having a lot of shipping problems in this country, from shores in California, getting stuff off the docks and into the city and on the trucks. And I guess those problems are still revealing in our economy. FedEx Express president and CEO retires after 40 years. So that's Fred Smith, the inventor of FedEx, is retiring, looks like. Okay. And catalyst to watch this week on fuel cell. Okay, so that's not FedEx, but interesting. Let's see this week if FedEx will rebound a little bit, since they have been down this last quarter. Let's see if they've gotten things together over the last quarter to see if they can rebound and start to work their way back to 300 per share. It looks like over the last 3 months, it still has been falling since the last time I covered this during the last earnings call. Okay, so that is FedEx. And the last stock talk about tonight is GameStop. GameStop is trending lower too over the last 6 months. As you can see, back in September, it was trading at 204, and it has since fallen off. I did own GameStop for a while. Well, actually for a brief while. I owned GameStop last February when it ran up from $33 to $99. I did own it. I bought it at 30 something dollars and I sold out of it at $99. So my lifespan in GameStop was very little, but the one of the major shareholders of GameStop does own Bed Bath and Beyond. Okay, so he could be working strategic. Okay, so it says here on the street, shorts are running out of shares. Okay, so people are still shorting GameStop. That means they're putting pressure on the stock, selling the stock. And there's always that hope that the shorts will lose and this thing will spring back to the $150 mark. But I pretty much doubt it. Like I said, I had GameStop for about 2 weeks. I held GameStop for about 2 weeks. I got my 300% gain, and I got out. Okay, but that was GameStop. Last year was all the praise 2021. We're in a totally different market this year. Let's see here. BBY stock, just because it's interesting. Let's see, not BBY. Bed Bath and Beyond stock. Look at Bed Bath and Beyond over the last week. Let's see here. The stock jumped up over the last month over 28%. So another meme stock, Bed Bath and Beyond, jumped earlier this month here from $16 to $19. And I think this was on news. Ryan Cohen, let's see. Bed Bath Beyond share jump after GameStop chairman reveals big stake. Okay, so this was the news this past month on March 4th, when Mr. Cohen revealed he had a large stake in Bed and Bath Beyond, and the stock jumped. But I don't own any Bed Bath and Beyond, but it is a retail stock. And it did seem pretty interesting that we had a stock jump over 28%, okay, over last month. Now, two stocks that I did like this month, ticker symbol COP, has been up over last month. Basically, since February 24th, we had two ticker symbols in the Robinhood portfolio jump over a lot this past month. We had ConocoPhillips jump over last month 7%, and also we had DE John Deere as well jump over last month or so. Let's see. Okay, it was trading at 342 at January, around January 1st, and it jumped a little bit. But keep your eye on John Deere and ConocoPhillips, more so John Deere. Those are two stocks I'm watching, and I do own some John Deere here in the Robinhood, and of course COP in the Robinhood portfolio. So anyway, this was my Sunday video. This was 3 stocks to watch this week that will report. FedEx, GameStop, and Dollar General will report this week. I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share. And if you like to get some free stock, please use my Robinhood link. Have a great week.